Today we are talking about an Autodesk product called TinkerCAD. So here's what the program looks like. It's a cloud-based program and you can use it for free. You log on to TinkerCAD.com, set up your account, and it works pretty well. It's a very simple program to use for 3D modeling. You can manipulate basic geometric shapes. So you have a view cube in the upper left-hand corner. You can rotate around your product that you designed. See it from top, bottom, sides, upside down, right side up. You can zoom in and zoom out on the product you're designing. You can change the colors. So this is what the work plane looks like empty, and you can also snap the grid, or you can edit the grid size. You can have it in metric or standard. So here's just a quick example of manipulating the shapes, so you can see how simple it is. It's very intuitive. And if you want a hole in the center of something, you literally grab the hole, place it where you want it, and make it whatever diameter you want. And you can rotate items in all three axes, X, Y, and Z. And then you can pull it up and make it long enough to go all the way through if you want the hole to go all the way through. And then over in the upper right hand corner, as you'll see here in a minute, you click on group and it groups those two geometric shapes together, and the whole shape disappears and you're left with the actual hole that you want. Other than basic shapes, there's a list of other shapes you can choose from, and you can manipulate all these. Move them around. There's also electrical components. So for example, here's a 9-volt battery. You can rotate items into space. And then everyday objects. So it's a fun program to use. It's very intuitive, very user-friendly, very simple. You can also export your 3D files out of here once you create your product or your design for 3D printing or whatever you want to do with it. So here's two examples of projects that I completed recently. The one on the left was a water leak test station where you would put the component, as you see here, and turn the pump on. You can check the flow rate. You can close the valve and check for water leaks on the component you're testing. Now on the right hand side, that's an adjustable camera stand with a laptop or a computer attachment and a monitor attachment. So you can adjust the camera up and down, in and out, left and right, etc. And then here is 2 different iterations of a hydraulic lift or a hydraulic table. Again, all created on TinkerCAD. So I hope this video helped. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover.